teach you about the roundabouts.
Okay.
Okay, roundabouts. How many tracks are here?
3.
How many tracks are here?
3.
How many tracks are here?
Same 3.
So it means all the 3 tracks are allowed to go straight. Means this will go here, and this will go here, middle, and this will go here. Middle track is not allowed to go where? Left. Because if the innermost track goes straight, we will hit to each other. Understand?
Understand.
So try not to go where it is not written and marked. Understand?
Understand.
Like this can only go right and straight, straight, left and straight, left, straight, and U-turn can be.
Okay.
These 2 track cannot go left or U-turn. If they want to go from this line to go left or U-turn, they have to change it. They will not go from there continuously. Okay.
Okay.
Right line. If you focus, see, right line can go right and straight. But in left line, you will go only left and straight and U-turn. This is go straight, left and U-turn. If you focus here, right line cannot go left and U-turn. Fail. And left line cannot go right or straight. Yeah, only right. Because it is allowed to go also. See, it is allowed to go straight. So you have to focus how you're supposed to go and how not. Right line, always try to go with the right side. Now see, if you divide it into 2 paths, this is the right side of the roundabout, this is the left side of the roundabout. If you want to go right, so catch the right line. If you want to go left, so catch the left line. See, you want to go left, catch the left line. That will make a little easier for you to how to go through the roundabout. There are many types of roundabouts. Some roundabouts are star, some roundabouts are cross, some roundabouts are triangle way, some are like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 entrance, 6 exit. I used to call this as ant. See, make antennas. Become a crab.
Yeah.
Understand? I used to call as that way. But the thing is, the same thing you can do. Divide it into this roundabout into 2 parts. Like, see, divide it into 2 parts. You want to go in the right side, catch the right line, means outer line. You want to go left side of the roundabout, so catch the inner line, inside.
Okay.
Because if I want to go here, I will not catch this line. I have to catch the inner line, means this area or maybe this area. If I want to go right, I will not catch from like this to go right or like this to go right, means I will not go like this. I will definitely go near one. Understand?
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah.
If you see here, this roundabout gives you a perfect more idea. And your flash is on, actually it's getting a light. Yeah, because it gives more shiny. Then it's still on again. Done. Okay. This roundabout can give you more idea which track you will go and how you will go and where you should apply the signal. Example, if I'm coming from here, I teach you already about 2 track, which track you're supposed to travel most. Right line. So this is my right line and this is my left line. If I examiner says go left, if you're coming continuously on the right line, you have to change the line before the solid line. At least, maybe change before, maybe change here, but at least before the solid line. Not like not like at the end of the solid line. Okay. But if you're going straight or roundabout right, if you want to go straight, means this is my straight, correct? This is my roundabout right. If examiner says go right, so you will apply a signal long before to go right and take the exit as this way.
Okay.
But first, surely check the middle mirror also. Understand?
Understand.
If it's better for check the right mirror also, maybe any bike is side on me or not. Okay, car will be not there, but can be a bike, means traveling next to you. Okay, but if you want to go straight, you have to go like this, covering the curved area, checking the roundabout is clear. If it is clear, we will be move on. If it is not clear, so I will be stopping into this limit. See, this limit, I will be stopping here. If it is clear, I will be keep going, and I will be checking what this stone area is my area to put a signal right. From here, I will not put any signal to go straight. Same like green car, see?
Yeah.
No signal. Put to the stone, signal right and take the exit. Why we are putting signal here? Why we don't put before?
Because we don't go to this right.
Yeah. This signal area you are putting to telling this car entrance not to enter, that I am taking exit here. Because if you put a signal from here, it means you are going right, so they can enter.
Yeah.
And but actually what you're doing, you're going straight, so you will hit him.
Yes.
Understand?
Understand.
So you should be very careful how it's supposed to go.
Mm-hmm.
All the roundabouts. Clear? Even example, now see, if I'm coming from here, this is the right line and this is the left line.
Mm-hmm.
Example says you go roundabout left. So you're coming from here, you will check middle mirror, left mirror, check shoulder put signal, middle mirror, front review, means front view, reconfirmation and everything. You will change the line,
Mm-hmm.
continuously signal left, it will be left, 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 signal left, and to the left line. See, it is left line to the left line. Continuously signal left, left, left. This area you will apply signal right to take a this exit.
Mm-hmm.
At least a one step before.
Mm-hmm.
You will take an exit like this, and if it is closed, by returning the turn back. So reapply the signal again for changing the back again track.
Okay.
But do it after checking the mirrors. Directly don't come.
Okay.
Means I said you come right, you directly come on right without checking the middle mirror, right mirror, check shoulder, nothing. You have to do it.
Mm-hmm.
I will say you go through the cross the road without checking the mirror, you cannot do it now. You have to check through.
Mm-hmm.
Because might be possible when you're turning, maybe any car comes like this.
Yeah.
And if you're like this coming, you're killing him. It's hitting, it look like a full chances of hitting.
Mm-hmm.
Understand? So
Understand.
be careful while checking the mirrors and then only change the line.
Mm-hmm.
Same way it will go for the U-turn. If you want to go U-turn means you start from here, you have to come back here, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Same way the U-turn means signal will go the same thing and then exit to the same way and then later we will change the track.
Mm-hmm.
But signal will come here to the right, not here.
Mm-hmm.
This is for the left, this is for the right. This is for the straight. And if you apply before, it means you're going right.
Yeah.
Clear?
Understood. Clear.
Now, this is the 3 track. Same again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All the 3 tracks are allowed to go straight.
Straight.
But if example, this track is not there. So this track will be not having a straight to go. Only straight means this one
Mm-hmm.
and this one. And this will go only
For
either a left
Mm-hmm.
or either a
U-turn.
U-turn.
But why
But-
this one?
If example, just I'm giving an example.
Ah, okay.
If example, if there is no straight way,
Ah, okay.
so then this will go only left or U-turn.
Okay.
So
Understood.
then this track is allowed to go also left.
Mm-hmm.
If this track is not allowed to go straight, that condition I'm telling, see, not at all hit to each other.
Yeah. Understood.
Now example, I will show you another roundabout,
Mm-hmm.
so you will understand what I'm talking about.
Mm-hmm.
This one. Now if you focus here, how many tracks are there?
3.
3.
Mm-hmm.
Record this. 1, 2, 3. Correct?
Yeah.
So how many tracks are here?
3 also.
How many tracks are here?
Only 2.
So who are allowed to go straight? This
This and
to
middle
this,
line. Mm-hmm.
this to this, and this will go only left or
Left
U-turn.
or U-turn. Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
it means this is also allowed to go left.
Left. Yeah.
Same which I taught you about before.
Yeah.
That depends in how much you can see the mark. If you see the mark as this way, it means there are only 2 tracks to take in the front exit to go straight.
Okay. Understood.
It's not means he will forcefully enter to the middle, totally hit chance.
Mm-hmm.
He will not go as that way. You don't have to go like that. Means he will be entering like this. Sorry. From here he will be entering and enter in the 2. Hit. Where
Yes.
the blue car will go.
Mm-hmm. Understood.
Because if he try to enter in here, so where this car will go?
Mm-hmm.
3 cars will get hit. Because it's a 2 exit. So this car goes wrong, all get trouble at the end.
Yeah.
Understand?
Understand.
So focus your arrow and you should know where you're supposed to go and how much way through.
Mm-hmm.
Means how many way are here and the exit should be how much.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, clear?
Clear.
Now what do you know what is this?
It's, I think, from the parking side to road.
I will remove this, it will be better. So you will understand. This is actually we used to call roundabout right.
Okay.
But if only in that condition you will count it is the correct when there is no parking, which I mentioned,
Mm-hmm.
there was I said you to go right,
Yeah.
and there was a parking that was not a way to go right.
Mm-hmm.
There was a parking. So if
Yeah.
there is a parking way in this go right area,
Mm-hmm.
so it will not call a roundabout right, it will call a parking right.
Yeah.
Go
understood.
parking right.
Mm-hmm.
So if examiner says you go roundabout right and you means from before you change the line and enter here and gone through this way and then later change the line, examiner will fail you for that reason. Why did you enter in the
Parking.
parking? I said you roundabout right.
Yeah.
If there is no parking, then that is a roundabout right.
Okay.
If there is a parking, that's called parking right.
Okay.
But if there is no parking, you go like this, means before this you change the line. You enter like this and then change it back again to the join to the main road. Fine, correct.
Okay.
But if it is a parking having, choose a roundabout right from this way.
Okay.
Understand?
Understand.
Don't go through this. Easily fail. Clear?
Clear.
So you're clear with this roundabout?
Yes.
Okay. Now back to this roundabout. How many tracks are here?
2.
How many tracks are here?
2.
How many tracks are here?
1.
1. So it means if I am coming from here, I can only go straight and right. This is my right and this is my.
Straight.
And if this track want to go roundabout left or U-turn, what he is supposed to do? Actually change
Right.
to go left or U-turn. Understand?
Understand.
Don't try to go as a roundabout. Try to make a proper curved area. Don't enter like this or enter like this and then goes this, making a
U-turn.
zigzag, become a zigzag. See?
Yeah.
Try to cover in a proper way like this. Proper like a balloon.
Yeah.
Understand?
Understand.
Try to make a proper balloon. Because if in this what happens, if your balloon is not correct, if your balloon like this, like a lollipop, it's not correct.
Yeah,
Might be
maybe this
possible the
time-
signal can get close 2 to 3 times in between of the roundabout. If you're putting a signal left, because if it's a left, you're coming near to the roundabout. You make it far, you make it right near turn. Signal close, because you return the turn back.
Yeah.
That things happen sometimes in the roundabout, and it goes right and left. It's like not proper roundabout. Examiner can fail for that reason too.
Okay.
Understand? Because you make a zigzag in the roundabout. Means a zigzag, I don't want it like this, then this, then this, then you're going this. What is this? You make a golf club of pipe.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now if you focus, how many tracks are here?
1.
How many tracks are here?
2.
How many tracks are here?
1.
1. So where I am supposed to go? If I want to go straight,
You go to straight.
here and then here. And if you want to go U-turn,
U-turn. You should go here.
inner line. That was I was just checking what you will do. Inner means you want to go U-turn or left. Catch the inner to the stone area. Means roundabout near area. You want to go right or straight. Catch almost always the outer line. Because now see, here it was 2. It was 2. So it's easy to understand which track will go where. But now 1 become 2. Complicated. Who will go where? So this will decide if you are here, means you're going right or straight. If you're here, you're going left or U-turn.
U-turn. Yeah.
You cannot go straight. Clear? Clear with this?
Clear. Stupid.
Too much roundabouts. That's why I said you keep on recording.
Yeah.
Now what is this? I said you in beginning, there are triangle roundabout also. That is the triangle roundabout.
Okay.
Now, maybe I mentioned you in the previous one. My first exit is the right? See? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm coming from here, so this become 1. So first exit is what? Right. Second exit is what? Straight.
Straight.
Third exit is what?
U-turn.
Left.
Left.
Fourth exit is what?
U-turn.
But is there is
Only 3.
3. So my first exit is what?
Straight.
But
Left.
might be possible in examiner can say you by mistakenly as a routine, go right.
Okay.
There is no way right. So this is our right only. First exit.
Yeah. First exit.
So what you do if examiner says go right, apply the signal from before and take the exit. But if when you turn right and then turn left, signal will close. Apply the signal again.
Okay.
It's closed 1 time, 2 times, 10 times. Apply it again.
Okay.
You should apply it. Okay?
Okay.
But if examiner says you go straight, so don't apply the signal between beginning. Apply the signal in between and then take the exit.
Okay.
Same I told you about that roundabout in the green color. You have to do as that way.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
And now if you focus in this one, I will take out the picture so you can record it as a clearly easy way. See, same again. This area, how many? 2 truck. 2 truck become 1. You want to go right from here to here and take exit. You want to go straight from here to here. No straight. Means
Left
it will go only left
or U-turn.
or U-turn. This truck cannot go straight. But if this truck want to go straight, you have to change it
Right.
to enter in here to go straight. And actually it can be a straight also, it can be right also, whatever the examiner says, go according to that signal and go through it.
Okay.
Go right means apply the signal before. If she say go straight, apply the
Okay.
signal between and then take exit.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
Okay. This is the same, it's a cross roundabout, it's easy to understand. Means pedestrian crossing and the CC signboards. Pedestrian crossing, give way, no entry, stop, right. This is straight, right, left. This is the hazard lights are having more. Sometimes it comes with the light, it comes with the normal boards. This C has a pedestrian crossing, and if you focus here, this sign is in this area. Tells when you have a way to go right area like this. Means right to go. You cannot go means like this arrow will not come there. Means you cannot enter like this.
Okay.
Understand? This comes also in T junction. T junction is have a way to go right and left. Means I can go right, I can go left.
Yeah.
So this can come. See? T junction. Understand?
Understand.
But if it's only a way to go left or right, then it shows that marks.
Okay.
But if you have a 2 way to go, example, I actually don't have that image, I cannot show you. I'm confused where I found or not. Like margin road become na, where have a C means 2 way to go. Either you
Okay.
can choose go right, you can go left. So that you can go through. Means maybe like example, in this it can be, see, same here. Maybe here this area they can put the board. You can go right, you can go left.
Okay.
Means that it can give you idea. Means where you can go right or left, you can choose whatever you want to go the way.
Okay.
That they can give you that image there. I will show you if I get somewhere in the roundabout. But at least you understand, right?
Yeah.
So
Understand.
that is how it's supposed to go. Same. This is the star roundabout. Divided into 2 parts. Divided into 2 parts. What is this? This is the right roundabout, right side, and this is the left side. You want to go right side area of this, choose the right line to enter in the right, or this way. Or if you want to go left, choose the left line. This here to go left, either this, or either this. Example, if you focus, now I will show you a little direction of correct roundabout, so you will understand what I'm talking about. This, you want to go right, you want to go left, means divided into 2. You want to go left, catch the left line to go here, here, or here, which I have marked up before.
Yeah.
See, this is the right roundabout, and then it will be the left roundabout. Direction change, it's get easy, but you should know how it's supposed to go and how many ways are there,
Okay.
and identify that thing before entering in the roundabout. Just assume the roundabout and go according to that. Clear?
Clear.
This is the same, and this I also told you now. This is the same roundabout which I was talking about. That you have to be careful with the signboards and all. Go right, go straight, go left. This also go straight. But if this was not having an option, means it's a 1 track, so it is not allowed to go straight. Then this is allowed to also go left. Depends on the condition,
Yeah.
which I already explained you. And one more thing, in the roundabout, be very careful. Now the roundabouts are clear. And in roundabout, be very careful. In roundabout, be very careful with the small vehicle and the big vehicle. Small vehicle might be possible can come in your hidden spot and a blind spot, which I already explained you here. It can become in the blind spot, which is gone. Where is gone? Blind spot. If it's a small vehicle, it cannot be able to see it properly. But if it's a big vehicle, might be possible they can cover your track to enter in the roundabout. Might be possible. See, if in case there is a big vehicle, he want to go here, maybe he can like this to go and like this to enter.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe he can take a little space, and if you go next to him, you don't have a space to enter.
Yeah.
Understand?
Understand.
Because big vehicle need more space to turn.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe in small roundabout it will be more difficult for him.
Yeah.
So don't go equal to them. Let them go first, or you try to enter first. Don't go equal.
Mm-hmm.
Means you go, he also go, you also go.
Mm-hmm.
You get little slow down.
Mm-hmm.
Understand? Or
Understand.
try to speed up and go through before him.
Mm-hmm.
Go as that way.
Mm-hmm.
Clear?
Clear.
Any doubt? Any doubt with this all things? Roundabout U-turn,
No.
roundabout U-turn, going left, going straight, going right, going. Any doubts? All the clears?
No, all the clears.
And one more thing. See, example. There's no clean page. Yeah. Example. See. How many tracks are here now?
3.
Correct?
Uh-huh.
How many tracks are now?
4.
4. How many tracks are now?
4.
So this track is allowed to go in this.
Mm-hmm.
This will go in this. This will go in this.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth, if I want to go U-turn
Mm-hmm.
or left, I will enter here to go left
Mm-hmm.
or here to U-turn.
Okay.
I will not go from 3 to go left or 3 to go U-turn.
Mm-hmm.
Wrong. I have to come the innermost, which I showed you in that 2 track of roundabout. This one, where is gone? This one, see? 1 to 2, and here same. 2, 2, and then one come on. I have to enter in the inner. Same here. Enter in the inner to go left or U-turn.
Mm-hmm.
Clear?
Clear.
Done. I actually forget to tell you one thing. You should be very careful with that thing. Whenever you're going for a roundabout, you have to see the size of the roundabout. All the sizes are not same of the roundabout. Always remember, all the sizes are not same of the roundabout, so the turning will be not same. Plus, the speed of going through the roundabout will be not same. I cannot mention the speed what it should be, because there are 1,000 roundabout. You cannot remember this roundabout, this speed, that roundabout, that speed. So you have to go according to the feeling of the roundabout in the speed how much you're supposed to go. If you're turning, see, like this to the right, and when turning to the left, this area usually people gives more accelerator, and people don't understand how much you're supposed to give accelerator. Because in this area, what you will be all seeing the things. You will see the speedometer, you will see the cars, you will see your own car. When you will apply the signal, which area you are taking entrance or exit, what all the things you will see. Don't see the speedometer. You're supposed to feel the speed. Now see, we are turning right, and when we are turning left, if the turning we are doing left and we are going in a more speed, body will fall opposite on the other side, opposite direction. If your turn is on left, the body will fall to the right side. If your body means if your speed is more and you turn on right, so the speed will be fall on left. So that thing you can identify how much the speed it should be, where the body full should not start. Second thing, whenever, now example, you want to go straight, you're taking here, applying the signal right, going to take exit almost. Check once right that someone enter or not. Maybe you're taking exit here, maybe someone enter, you can give him a horn not to enter. Check that thing clearly and surely. At least look once right. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now actually this part I forget to tell you about, that's why I explain again. So are you clear with all these things?
Yes.